Hey, it's Jason Hennessy, and this is the SEO tip of the day. We are talking about loading time on your website. Some refer to it as page speed. This is important because it's creating a bad user experience for those that are doing Google searches, right? Google cares about their users, and if it's going to take too long for a user to access the data on your website, they're going to push you off to page 2 or 3 of Google. So what are 3 things that you can do about it? Well, the first thing is you want to monitor and see where you are. Like, what is your page speed score? There's a free tool called Page Speed Insights. You run your site. It's as simple as just putting your URL in there and pressing a button. It's going to give you a score from 0 to 100 for both desktop and mobile. So that's the starting point, the barometer. The second thing that you need to do now is you need to make some tweaks to the actual code. There's probably some scripts that are firing off that shouldn't be there, that's slowing the website down. So that's the second thing that you do, is go in and remove some of those unnecessary scripts that are firing. And the third thing that you should do is look at some of the images that are on the website, and maybe you can compress the images or remove the images and get the same exact impact that a user would get regardless. So those are the 3 things that you do: is A, run the actual test, B, remove any unnecessary scripts, and then 3, look at like images and other things that you can do to reduce the page. Google is optimizing their search engine for their customers, who are the people that are using their website. And most of the people that are using Google don't have those fancy new iPhones and high-speed internet, right? So if you can optimize your website for the people that have some of the outdated technology with not fast Wi-Fi speed, then you're doing a service to not only Google, but also to their customers, the users. And Google will reward you with increased rankings, which will increase your profits, which will increase your revenue, and it's a win-win.